Why is mindfulness so important for us? How many of you can remember the sip of the coffee you had yesterday, or your cup of tea, or that favorite dessert that you had? How many of us can remember the last time we felt that warmth when our child hugged us, or when a partner hugged us or held our hands? You see, why we need mindfulness is because we're moving so fast in life. We're on autopilot, all of us, that we miss out the little things that have the greatest impact on our minds and in our hearts. So without mindfulness, we're just reacting to every single thing that's happening in the world. People, events, jobs, emotions, and that controls us. And when that controls us, that creates stress, and stress creates every possible disease, including obesity, weight gain, and everything else. So with the practice of mindfulness, we learn to step back, appreciate the small little things in life that are happening around us, the people we have, everything that's going well for us. And we train the mind to focus on these little things that matter.